store is big. So go and look for a hotel and eat some Malayalam food. Very tired right now. This guy has been making me walk.
Huh? Are you recording?
Yeah. So can we try food here?
Yeah.
Or this is already medicine? I think this is the hotel, right? We can
go there.
Okay, let's go. Don't stand in the way. Okay. They have space. I think we can eat here. We eat here?
Where you want to go? They are.
No, don't ask if there is space. Let's go. One thing that we noticed from Kerala, people here are very serious with corona, so you can see these cups are written on COVID-19 coronavirus. And
You go, I will take
wherever you visit any store or like a bank,
Really like
or a metro
we
or
should
a
stay.
restaurant, you find like they have books
You go,
where
I
you
will
register your phone number. So
There you go.
if any person gets
go, I
corona
will
goes
take.
with you, or if you get corona, they can easily track you and tell people who have been in contact with you. Yeah. Meanwhile, we continue waiting for our food. And we eat Mandi. So this is Mandi. We have rice, then we have chicken. We have this sauce. I don't know what this is. What's this?
150.
Excuse me. This
Mayonnaise.
and this.
Another sauce.
Another sauce. He's from Kerala, but he doesn't know which sauce is this, which is okay. And here you have to use your hands, like that's the tradition here. So I have to cover up with the fucking transition. Okay, let me try this rice. It's nice. A lot of spices. And this chicken, the way it is, but I think it's nice, right? Let me try. There is a spicy that I can't recognize. Let me continue with the rest of my meal. One thing that I've noticed from Kerala is that different restaurants have different tastes of food because of very many spices. Kerala is one of the spicy hubs of India. They grow a lot of spices here, so I think very many different sacrifices in different spices, so like the food is tasting different.
What happened? And like,
Okay,
I was planning
done with food, which is 170. Now going for fruit drink juice. Pineapple. Well, can try this drink. So sweet. A lot of sugar, natural pineapple, and what a lovely man. And people here are so lovely, and they like to greet. Yeah, so that's it. These drinks, they are just only for 50 rupees and get a natural, fresh, sweet drink. Well, it's time to go and look for our train and The guy who sold us the drinks told me that he knows Kampala. He was in Dar es Salaam for some time, and I'm just refreshed now. Check out West anything. Check out this. Alan, this is the jackfruit thing.
This is banana chips. And this is jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit. But these things for us, they don't fry them in Uganda. Like
Yeah,
you just eat them from when they are still fresh. I don't know why you fry them.
Yeah, we are having the fried one and the normal one.
Just want to try the normal one.
Normal one, it's not available here.
Thank you. Then,
Sweet, Kerala special.
oh, paying, you have to come here. Oh, then what's this?
Halwa.
Wow.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Wow. Sweet. So let's just go and take a metro, and then we call it a day in Kochi. Okay, and street food. Yeah. So
Sweet, bro.
Spice.
this is pan food, right?
Sweet. किधर में आपका घर? हाँ? मध्य प्रदेश
Hey,
MP.
hold. Is it nice? I can't try this. No,
Yeah.
no, I can't. I'm full now. I've taken a lot of things.